What is flange? A flange is used to connect a pipe section to a piece of equipment, valve, or another pipe in a way that will permit later disassembly.
A flange assembly consists of two flanges, gasket, and bolts needed to keep the assembly together. A flange assembly is normally used for pipe sizes greater than 0.5 inches. Flanges are manufactured in all the different materials to match the material of the pipe and fittings to which they are being attached. Flanges are made of different materials like cast iron, stainless, alloy steel and brass. The majority are forged carbon steel. The most common flange ratings are Class 150, Class 300, Class 600, Class 900, Class 1500, Class 2500. Flanges of different class ratings should never be joined. Flanges can withstand different pressures at different temperatures. As temperature increases, the pressure rating of the flange decreases.